This is us, Diego, Hector, Martín, Marina, Victor, Renata, and Ana Laura. And today, we're bringing to you Mind Bowling. Picture a world where fun and excitement know no bounds. A world where people with mobility disabilities are not excluded from the thrill of sports despite their physical limitations. Picture a BCI bowling game that uses a Unicorn Unity interface that can be used by anyone and everyone. Bowling is an accessible sport known to everyone, making it easy to understand and enjoy for a wide audience. Additionally, it offers an exciting challenge by combining physical precision with mental focus. The Unity script leverages a Unicorn speller interface to detect specific input conditions related to a focus on letter O and Y. When the user focuses on the letter O, the script triggers the launch of a bowling ball in a direction defined by a directional marker. It also accounts for user control, allowing the character to reset its position upon pressing the escape key. Furthermore, it cycles between the letters Y and O for repeated activation. The Unicorn Speller interface code serves as an interface between the Unity application and the Unicorn Speller system, facilitating the reception and processing of data from the Unicorn Speller via UDP. Upon startup, the script configures IP settings to establish a connection with the Unicorn Speller. It then initiates a speller receiver object, R, to listen for incoming network messages from the Unicorn Speller. The Unicorn Speller works by detecting and processing brain signals to control devices or software, allowing users to interact with technology through their brain activity. When the player thinks of the correct letter, the bowling ball is activated to start the game. This video showcases the Unicorn Speller interpreting and translating the EEG signals from Ana Laura in order to trigger the ball's movement. Here are several succeeded attempts to trigger the ball's movement. In this live demonstration, we are showcasing the functionality of our program. Ana Laura is actively engaged in the process, directing her focus towards the letter O to initiate the motion of the bowling ball. Once activated, the program propels the ball forward, and the direction bar settings influence the trajectory that the ball follows. This interactive experience illustrates the integration of user-focused, censored by the Unicorn and registered by the speller, and the control within our application. Furthermore, it's important to note that to trigger the ball's motion again, Ana Laura must shift her focus to the letter Y, as defined by our coding. The creation of a BCI-controlled bowling video game is a testament to innovation and imagination. It allows us to explore new frontiers in the world of video games while making fun and excitement more accessible than ever. We are excited about what the future holds for this technology and how it could change the way that we play and experience the world.